Hey everyone, if you're planning to hike the Camino Frances this spring or summer, you've come to the right place. I'm here to share the ultimate packing list to make your journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible. First off, let's talk about clothing. You'll need lightweight, moisture-wicking layers. Think breathable t-shirts, quick-dry shorts, and a couple of long-sleeve shirts for cooler mornings. A good rain jacket is a must, as spring showers can be unpredictable. Don't forget a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses for those sunny days on the trail. Footwear is crucial. Invest in a pair of high-quality, well-broken-in hiking boots. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Pair those with moisture-wicking socks to avoid blisters. And pack some flip-flops for the evenings to give your feet a break. Next, let's cover the essentials. A comfortable backpack with a good support system is key. Aim for one around 30-40 liters. A hydration system, like a Camelback, will keep you easily hydrated. And don't forget a lightweight sleeping bag or liner for those overnight stays. For your health and safety, pack a basic first aid kit. Include blister treatments, painkillers, and any personal medications. Sunscreen and insect repellent are also non-negotiables. Finally, some extras to enhance your trip. A journal or smartphone for capturing memories, a portable charger, and a small toiletry kit. And of course, a guidebook or a map to keep you on the right path. So there you have it, the perfect packing list for the Camino Frances. Follow this guide and you'll be well prepared for the adventure of a lifetime. Happy hiking, and don't forget to bring trekking poles for added support and stability on the trail.